Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
To hear, eto na.
Ayan na sila, marami sila dyan.
No words needed. I want to hear the loudest noise for SB19.
Alam ko kung paano papapalakasin to kasi balita ko parang may bago daw na i-release na song ang isang member ng SB19.
Sorry. Sobrang lakas talaga.
Oo, may isa daw na bagong
may
song.
sasabihin si DJ Alice. Ano yun?
There's a new song I heard from one of the members. Maririnig kaya natin yun today? Do you think?
Let's ask muna if they know.
Alam nyo ba yun?
Do you know?
Alam nila. I heard.
Eto daw, their
Yan.
spokesperson.
Yes, I can
Hi,
confirm.
what's your name?
My name is Manilyn Gabriel. And panapan po ako ng SB19.
Siyempre, mais ka si Pablo! I love you, Pablo! You can feel the excitement talaga dito, no? I think you should join us down here.
Okay,
It's
sige,
really
sige.
fun here.
I will join you there. But again, we have a whole lot of performances in store. Eto, there's something I actually can divulge to all of you. Pero, it's going to be exciting. Hindi lang group performance. Balita ko, they'll be performing solo songs also.
Mukhang hindi nila alam yun.
Oo.
I
Wala,
think they
sinurprise
didn't
ko.
know that. I wanna know yung bias nila.
O sige.
Pero
Mga
parang
bias.
ano ba? Ay,
Ito. Sino pong bias nyo, ate?
Kay Susan!
Meron po bang rason kung bakit?
Ano? Ang
Pogi.
Pogi nga!
Alright, ito iba yung bias nito eh. Kayo po, sino pong bias nyo?
Pablo po.
Why?
Very brainy. Nakamagaling.
Totoo yan. Sinong gusto mag-share ng bias? Ito si ate, oh. Ito, oh. Yes, ate. Sino pong bias nila?
Ken Susan!
Kayo po.
Ako pa, siyempre.
There you
You know,
go.
I'm
Sige,
actually-
ito naman. Oh, kuya, sino pong bias nyo?
Sistel!
Oh, ayan.
Further, actually, I'm curious about something, no? I want to know who here flew in from Manila or from the Philippines just to watch SB19 in South Korea. Are there any or everyone from South Korea? You
Meron
flew
po
in?
ba? Did you fly? Oh, you flew from Thailand to be here. Iba rin ang dedication.
I
Kayo
love
po,
it. I think-
anyone who flew in from the
And
Philippines?
Because he flew
Sila.
in. I think we have to say hi. Hi!
Brunei.
My name is Chelsea Manalo, Bulacan, Philippines.
Sorry, who's from Brunei?
Eto po, you're from Brunei. You flew all the way to be here. Well, maybe you want to give a message because do you see those people there?
SB19, I love you so much!
There you have it. All right. So I guess it's high time to call in our